Mm, 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 mm. Na, 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 na. Na, na. Good morning! It's your Filipino Explorer to all my followers and Filipino Explorer. Good morning. Tauma Gusador. What is meant to say? Edinaldo de Selva. Boa noite, Menhalanda. Okay. Oh. Time to na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Please don't forget to hit the like button, guys. Be the reason of someone's smile. I really love to it's I like to remind that very soon to someone's smile. It you will be very happy if you make this someone's make smiles because of you. You know, I really love it. Oh my God, I'm having a headache now. What guess if I'm stressed, I'm so much having a headache. That's why I'm still in the bed. Edinaldo, hello. Joanne Pacori, hello, good morning. Picori or Picor. What are you doing today? I'm still on bed. I'm lazy to get up. I'm having a headache. I don't know what's going on. But I think I have a flu because since in the morning I always having, but I already take some medicine for my, for my runny nose, clogged nose, everything that nose. Okay guys, okay.